Hi and welcome. My name is Ishaq and this is my YouTube channel where I upload useful Python stuff. I am here back to continue, so need your support. So I wanted to start by sharing few Python Easter eggs which I know, and we see that Python developers got that humor. So let's begin by first looking at the following simple Easter egg. I am entering Python interpreter and now I will simply type import hello. It's a Dunder module name, and we got hello world printed with exclamation. Sounds cool. Now let's clear up the screen for the next Easter egg, which is a similar one. This time we will be importing braces object from future module. So let's do that from future, import braces, and we see that we got a syntax error with a message not a chance. Future module basically contains features that are to be implemented in the future versions of Python. So Python developers may have intention to implement curly braces functionality as well for code blocks for which we currently using indentation. So this message is simply telling us that currently this is not possible. And I noticed very weird thing about it. Let's import the whole module. That if we open up its directory to see what methods are available, so we use dir function, so we find that there is no braces function available. So how we can import it from it? So the next one is also interesting. If we import anti-gravity module, it will open up a link to a Python comic. As you can see, you can read this comic by pausing the video. It's quite funny. So the next and last Easter egg I wanted to share is called the Zen of Python. We can see this Easter egg by typing import this, and we see that these are 19 aphorisms written by a Pythoneer Tim Peters in 2004. I must should mention that this Easter egg has been documented. We can find it at official Python documentation. Official Python documentation states that there is one aphorism which is not included, and which is founder of Python reportedly have said is some bizarre Tim Peters in joke. Well, these are coding guidelines which we should follow when writing Python code. So we reached to the end of session. Hope you loved the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.